Let's be real for a second. Talking about money in a relationship can feel awkward or even lead to arguments, but it doesn't have to. Whether you're dating, engaged, married, or somewhere in between, learning how to budget as a couple is one of the smartest things you can do for your future together. So today on WikiDollar, we're breaking down simple, no-nonsense tips for couples who want to budget together without the drama. Let's jump right in. Tip 1. Have the money talk. Before you even touch a spreadsheet, have an honest conversation. Talk about your incomes, your debts, your spending habits, your financial goals. This isn't about judging each other. It's about understanding where you're starting from and where you want to go together. You'd be surprised how many couples skip this step and end up with surprise credit card debt or conflicting savings plans later on. Tip 2. Choose the right system. Joint, separate, or hybrid. One of the most common questions couples ask is, should we combine our money or keep things separate? There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but here are the three main systems. Joint account. You pool all your income and pay all expenses from one account. Great for full transparency, but requires strong communication. Separate accounts. Each person keeps their own account and divides bills. This can work well for couples who value financial independence. Hybrid system, most popular. You each keep individual accounts, but also open one joint account for shared expenses, like rent, groceries, and utilities. Pick what works best for your relationship, but whatever you choose, make sure both partners are clear on how it works. Tip 3. Create a monthly budget together. Now comes the fun part, building your budget. Sit down together once a month. Go over how much money is coming in, your regular bills, rent, internet, etc. Variable spending, food, gas, entertainment. Savings goals, emergency fund, vacations, home down payment. A great rule of thumb is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or debt repayment. Use budgeting tools like NAB, Mint, or a shared Google Sheet, whatever helps you stay on the same page. Tip 4. Divide responsibilities fairly. One of the biggest causes of stress in couple finances? When one person is stuck doing all the financial planning. Divide the responsibilities in a way that feels fair. Examples. One partner tracks bills and due dates. The other manages investments and savings. Both review the budget monthly. Even if only one of you is more into personal finance, both of you need to know what's going on. This keeps things balanced and transparent. Tip 5. Set financial goals as a team. Budgeting shouldn't feel like punishment. It should be a tool to help you reach your shared dreams. Sit down and list your short-term and long-term goals, like paying off student loans, saving for a vacation, buying a home, starting a family, early retirement. Having clear goals makes it easier to stick to the budget because now you're not just saying we can't eat out tonight. You're saying we're choosing to stay in because we're saving for Bali. Big difference, right? Tip 6. Leave room for personal freedom. This one's important. Even when you're budgeting as a couple, you're still individuals. Give yourselves a bit of fun money each month, an amount you can spend however you want, no questions asked. This helps avoid fights over small purchases. Whether it's coffee, skincare, video games, or random Amazon stuff, it's your call. As long as it's within the agreed amount, there's no guilt and no judgment. Tip 7. Check in monthly. Money isn't set it and forget it. Once a month, have a money date. Order pizza or make coffee and go over how you did on last month's budget. Any unexpected expenses. Changes in income or goals. Adjustments for next month. Keep it positive. Celebrate your wins, even small ones like sticking to your grocery budget or saving $50 more than expected. Consistency is key. Tip 8. Watch for financial red flags. While budgeting together, keep an eye out for red flags like one partner hiding spending or accounts, constant disagreements about money, no willingness to compromise, feeling unsafe or controlled financially. If money issues are causing tension or imbalance in your relationship, it might be time to talk to a financial therapist or counselor. There's no shame in getting help. Tip 9. Revisit your budget after life changes. Life happens, new jobs, moving in together, having kids, or unexpected bills. When big life events hit, revisit your budget ASAP. Don't wait. A flexible budget is a strong budget. Tip 10. Be patient with each other. Last but definitely not least, give each other grace. Budgeting takes practice. Mistakes will happen. People forget bills, overspend, or change their minds. That's okay.